Have you ever pondered why the current job market seems to be in a constant state of flux, especially when it comes to the tech industry? Well, as we delve deeper into the 21st century, the demand for experts in virtual data centers and virtual server administration is skyrocketing. But why is that? Picture this: a digital world where information is stored, managed, and retrieved from virtual servers. These servers exist in virtual data centers, the nerve centers of our increasingly digital world. Now, imagine being the one in control, the one who can navigate and manage these virtual environments. Sounds exciting, right? That's the power of VMware, a leading virtualization and cloud computing software provider. It's the tool that makes managing these virtual servers possible. It's not just about understanding the software, though. It's about mastering it, which is where PowerShell comes into play. PowerShell, a task automation and configuration management framework, allows you to control and automate the administration of your Windows systems and servers. And then, there's artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is transforming how we manage and interact with data. It's automating tasks, predicting trends, and even helping to prevent cyber threats. In the world of virtual data centers and servers, AI is not just a desirable skill, it's a necessity. Now, imagine a classroom where students are not just learning about VMware, AI, and PowerShell, but actually using them. They're running simulations, troubleshooting issues, and gaining practical experience. They're not just acquiring skills, they're preparing for a future where these skills are in high demand. Fast forward a few years, and these students are now graduates. They're securing jobs in companies specializing in strategic services outsourcing, where their skills in VMware, AI, and PowerShell are not just appreciated, but sought after. They're contributing to a digital world that's constantly evolving. So, what's the takeaway from all this? First, the job market is changing, and the demand for experts in virtual data centers and virtual server administration is growing. Second, skills in VMware, AI, and PowerShell are not just desirable, they're essential. And lastly, acquiring these skills isn't just about landing a job. It's about shaping the digital world of tomorrow. So, if you're looking to enhance your employability in this field, start by understanding the importance of VMware, AI, and PowerShell. Then, seek out opportunities to gain practical experience, whether it's through classroom simulations or internships. Remember, in the world of virtual data centers and servers, knowledge is power, but experience is key.